Oh, what's going on here?
Well, if we keep our finger in it, we can drive.
I'd like to mention, false sense of security. They have all this protection to make you feel secure, but they're hitting the sideways, always right just below it. So it's a trick. This should come further. How to change a tyre out in the bush, mate. Oz Prado crew, mate. What was that, Cole?
So when you've got a lift kit of 50 mil, you need to have a 50 mil block, otherwise your jack doesn't get your tyre off, high enough off the ground.
Is that your block of wood?
That is.
You know, Pack Off Road make a nice plastic one. It's a bit bigger, more even better, kind of, and it locates the factory jack in there.
So does that one.
Yeah.
It's been rebated.
Oh, you rebated that one too. Good on you, right? That's even better than my. I had a sleeper one like that, but yours is better than mine.
I must say, I
Yours
used
is painted.
Pack Off-Road one in the Western Australia outback and saved us. It
That's
worked
right, you
great.
did. Yeah,
Awesome.
that's right. Yeah.
I have some more plywood in there.
This car looks familiar for bush mechanics. I reckon we were on a trip last year and this was jacked up like this. There's something going on. Yeah.
Run away.
Yeah, don't go too far. Nicely done, mate. Like a pro. You must have seen this before. One or two. I reckon you get because it's a wide split. I'd try and jam another one in next to it.
Yeah, just in here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I reckon go in there, but just careful not to push the other one. That's the risk. The other one is going to go in as well. Oh, it's going on. Get ready to stop though. Whoa. I reckon maybe that. What do you reckon? And then we only have to cut off one. That's looking pretty good, I reckon. There's a lot of reckoning going on here. So we'll cut that. We won't cut them right off, but we'll cut them off short. Normally you cop the scuff in the sidewalls heaps on the outside of the tyres. So interesting one, because I was looking at all the tyres today. Cop heaps of marks on the outside of the sidewall. Do you reckon? It's going to throw it out of balance? That's good. Get some more air in it. Was it down? Or has it still got a bit in it?
It's hard to tell with the wind.
Yeah, but it's not blowing bubbles. So I'm saying that's good.
Yeah.